Hello students, let us see the second property of periodic function. In periodic function there are three properties. Before one I explain one property. Let's see the second property. Integration, if f of x is a periodic function with a period t, then f of x plus t is equal to fx. This is the periodic function definition. This is the definition of periodic function. I explained in the function topic. F of x plus t is equal to fx, then t is called periodic function. F of, you have the f of sine x plus 2 pi see sine 2 pi plus x, sine 2 pi plus x, that is equal to how much? Sine x, then period is 2 pi. Like that, t is here 2 pi. Like that same way is the definition of the periodic function. What you have, integration a to a plus nt fx dx can be written. Whenever you have integration a to a plus nt fx dx, that it can be written as n times of integration 0 to t fx dx, where n is called integer. Okay, this is the second property. How it came? Just here. By graphically we will understand. See here, this is a graph of sin x, you suppose, or any graph. You suppose any graph. So if I begin this is begin with A. So I just take a point A. So the graph, actually sin x graph will be 0 to 2 pi. The period of sin x is 0 to 2 pi. Means I start from 0, 0, 2 pi. This is the t, one period. And then this will be the second period. Like that, this will be the n periods. Actually, if I go for the sine is 0 to t is the one period, t to 2t is the one period, 2t to 3t, 4t, 5t, like that, n t's will get. This is what exactly of the sine exam. Suppose if I am taking from the point A to a plus nt. So if I am taking the point A to a plus nt, this area. Okay, a plus nd means if I am taking from point A, the period will be here. The period will be here. So a plus t. Okay, this is the period. This graph is repeating after. A plus 2t, a plus 3t, like a plus nt. What is the area from A to a plus nt? This is the area. Okay, this is the area of A2. From A2, this is the area. Whatever you have, this is the area from A to a plus nt. Okay, this is the area. From this is here to here is the area. Here to here is the area. That is what here it says in the left side. But right side what it says? 0 to t it says. What is the meaning of this here? How it is came? Just let's see here. Instead of finding here to this area, if I take till nt, means I want to find till this area. So this area, this extra area, if I join here, then my area from 0 to nt, this area which is speaking about the second side, this area will also equal to from a to a plus nt. This area will be equal, means this LHS area both will be equal, means 0 to n pi. Means according to the what is the first I have explained you first one. What is the first one here? First one I explain you what I explain you first property. First property is I explain you 0 to nt fx dx is equal to n times 0 to t fx dx. This is I explain the first property. According to simple, if I find here to here this area, that is nothing but 0 to nt fx dx. This is 0 to nt, integration 0 to nt fx dx. That is only this area. Correct. So this can be written how here? N times of 0 to t fx dx. That is what he says. So that is the proof of this one. So instead of a, whenever you have integration a to a plus nt fx dx can be written as n times of 0 to t fx dx. This is the property number 2. Hope you understand. This is what we call as property number 2 on periodic functions. Okay, hope you understand. Let us see some questions on this. Okay, I will explain one question on based on this. Hope you understand the property. Let's see one example so you will understand more clearly. Okay, let's see one going for one example. Suppose you have like this. So integration pi to 10 pi. Okay, no. This is another example. See here an example on the second property. Let us see. Example is I is equal to 0 to t fx dx. I is this one. As the t is greater than 0, period of the function is t. The question is like this. A function t is greater than 0, the period of the function is t, and I is equal to 0 to 2 fx dx, then find the value of integration 3 to 3 plus 3t f of 2x dx. This question is asked in IIT 2002. Okay, let's see how to solve this question. So they have given I is equal to 0 to t fx dx, right? You have to find integration 3 plus 3t fx 2x dx. But you have here 2x. I'll remove 2x. I'll make it easy. So 2x is equal to t I am taking. Sorry, 2x is equal to something small t I'll take. You can take y. Okay, that is up to you. So what I get here, 2 times of dx is equal to dt. Then dx is equal to I'll get as dt by 2. Correct? I'll get dx is equal to dt by 2. So what I am going to get here, the changes I am going to get here, if x is equal to 3, the limit is changed. If x is equal to 3, then t is equal to 6. If x is equal to 3 plus 3t, then t will be how much? That is t will be 2 times of 3 plus 3t. That is equal to I am getting 6 plus 16. So the interval is changed. This question is changing from where to where. If x is equal to 3, I am getting 6. If x is equal to 3 plus 3t, the upper limit is changing to 6 plus 16. And this is this is became f of t because 2x I took as t, and dx is became as dx is dt by 2. So dt by 2. So that is what happened here. So we have to find the value of this. So what I can write here, this is equal to, I can write 1 by 2 I will take out, and integration 6 plus 60 dt. Okay, 6 plus f of t dt. You got in this form. Just now I explained you what is the integration of the second property. According to the second property, if you have integration a to a plus t fx dx, then I can write as integration 0 to t fx dx n times. Okay, this formula, I think nt dt something is there. According to that formula we have to write it, right? So the formula according to the second property, what we can write here, second property says integration 0 to, the formula is, I just explain once again. What's the formula? Integration a plus nd, a plus nd, then you get as n times 0 to t fx dx. So according to that rule, what I can write as 1 by 2. See here, integration a to a plus nt fx dx will be n times of 0 to t fx dx. So according to this rule, I can write what here, n times. N times means what here, 6 times. 6 times integration 0 to t. T means what here, t only here, fx dx dt. Okay, f of t dt. We can write as n times 0 to t fx dx. So here also what we can write as 1 by 2. This n will be comes back into 0 to t ft dt I'll get. Now integration 0 to t fx dx is how much? I. If fx dx is I, then ft dt also how much? I. That means I'll get 1 by 2 6 into I. This is the answer. So 2 3s are cancelled. The final answer is 3I. I hope you understand here. Integration a to a plus nt, whenever you have, you remove a, you can write this n back, integration 0 to fx dx. The same way here, whenever you have integration 6 to 6 plus 16, you can remove this 6 and you can write 0. and this 6 should be comes out. This 6 should be comes out. Integration 0 to t, the function itself same as it is. Now according to the rule of that, we can write, we wrote that. Already here is given 0 to 2 fx dx is I. So this is ft dt by the first property. This is equal to ft dt also. So this is I. So it is cancelled. 3I is the answer. Hope you understand.